Hello there. This video demonstrates how to scroll your web page with your masthead in place. Let's begin. First, you will want to have a page that is already created. Here we have the page that's created. Go on to select your masthead. How do you know if your masthead is selected? Make sure that you can find it in layers is selected. With that, here are some additional things to add so that your masthead pops up even more. Let's change the background color by going to right panel, fill, click on this dropper, select it to be the same color as your cards, and there it pops. To let it pop further, you add the same right panel, effects, click, drop shadow. While keeping your masthead selected, go to right panel again, this time prototype, tab, position, choose fixed, stay in place. Now that you have that, let's see how it looks. Select your demo page. How do you know it's selected? Once you click on the tiny word, you will see on layers the whole page is selected. Either you could do keyboard shortcut, or you could shift space. I'll click this. And there you go. This is what you want to achieve. Thank you.